Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate proposal generation with Proposify detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Proposify account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Templates tab in the sidebar. Select Create New Template to start designing a proposal. Choose from available template options or start from scratch. Add a title to your proposal template to clearly define its purpose. Incorporate your branding by uploading your logo and customizing colors. Proceed to the Sections tab to outline key components of your proposal. Add sections such as Overview, Project Scope, Deliverables, and Pricing. For each section, input relevant text that is tailored to your typical project needs. Utilize the pre-made content libraries for quick content insertion. This library includes things like standard terms and conditions. Next, move to the Pricing module. Here you can set up recurring pricing structures or fixed rate options. Make sure to include a clear summary of costs and payment terms. After finalizing your template, click the Save button. Once saved, go back to the dashboard to create a new proposal. Select the Proposals tab, and then click New Proposal. Choose the template you just created from the options available. Enter client information such as name, email, and company details. Personalize the proposal further by adding a client-specific message. After inputting all necessary details, click Review Proposal. This takes you to a summary page to double-check all information. Make any necessary adjustments before proceeding. When satisfied, click Send Proposal to email it to your client. You can set reminders for follow-ups after sending the proposal. Track client engagement by monitoring views and comments in Proposify. You can easily update or revise a proposal if changes are needed. For more advanced automation, explore integrations with tools like Zapier. This allows for linking Proposify with other applications for greater efficiency. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.